So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are gonna make DIY papers or recycling papers, whatever you can say. So let's just start with the process. So first you are gonna need some used papers that you want to recycle. So here I am using my rough notebooks papers to recycle. Make sure you cut pieces smaller than they are, better it is to make the papers. So after you are done cutting the papers, you need to soak them in water. I am going to leave them for 1 or 2 hours. That depends upon the thickness of the paper. If you are using thick papers, then I will suggest you to soak them for 24 hours so that you can get the smooth pulp out of it. So this is how my paper is looking after 2 hours. So my paper is already soaked much water. So let's just start with the next process and start making pulp of it. So this is how my pulp is looking after blending it. So here you can use any utensil. So I pour some water in it. You can use a sieve or chutney, whatever you call it. So I pour my pulp in it. Flip this onto the cotton cloth. So here I used haldi for it. You can use any poster color or any color you want, but don't use acrylic color for this. So now we will just flip this. So this is how our paper looks like. So I will leave them overnight to dry. So see you guys tomorrow morning. So hey guys, this is the next morning. So my papers are ready. As you can see, they come out so good. So this was it for the video. I hope you guys liked the video. So if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my upcoming videos. Bye bye guys. Take care.